In this video, I'll let you guys know how can you use Chime card on phone. In order to use your Chime card on phone, you could add it to your mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay as well. Now, first of all, this allows you to make contactless payment with your phone at any merchant that accepts contactless payment. The specific step will vary slightly depending on which mobile wallet you're using, but generally you'll need to open the app, click on tab add credit card or debit card, and follow the prompt. So what you do is, if you're using an Android, you could go with Google Pay, then click on add card and all that. Once you've actually done it, so you want to follow the on-screen prompt and make sure your address and contact informations are identical in your Chime app and your mobile wallet app as well. And this is how you can use Chime card on phone. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.